Today we are going to talk about a rather serious topic. The future.
Hello again and welcome back. This is Hoff with Papa Lock in Northern Colorado and the AutoProPAD G2 Turbo. Today we're working on a 2020 Chevrolet Suburban keyed ignition. We have our new key, not programmed. I'm going to start by reading the pin code. Mobilizer, by vehicle, Chevrolet, USA, Suburban, 17 to 20. Read security code, type 6. We are connected to the network. Trips a bunch of errors, but it'll clear them out on its own after. (9283). Alright. Program keys without smart. We're going to do all keys lost. Close all doors. Switch ignition to on. Yes. (9283). And we'll be back in town about
The future.